Every Schengen visa application requires travel insurance with a minimum of €30,000 in medical coverage. Most applicants treat this as a tick-box formality. Buy the cheapest policy online, attach the PDF, move on. Sometimes that works. Sometimes it gets the application flagged. Here is the difference. The €30,000 figure is a minimum, not a suggestion. Your policy must explicitly state coverage of at least this amount for medical emergencies and repatriation, meaning the cost of returning you home if you become seriously ill or worse. A policy that does not state this figure clearly, even if it technically covers more, can be rejected for not being legible or specific enough. There are 3 things an embassy actually checks on your policy, and most rejected insurance documents fail on one of these. First, the coverage amount must be explicit and in euros, or clearly convertible. A policy that just says comprehensive cover without a number is not sufficient. Second, the dates must match your trip exactly. Not roughly, exactly. If your visa application states you are traveling from the 3rd to the 13th, your insurance must cover the 3rd to the 13th. A policy that starts a day late or ends a day early is grounds for refusal, even if everything else about your application is strong. Third, the policy must explicitly cover the entire Schengen area, not just your destination country. Some cheap policies marketed for one-country trips contain small print limiting cover geographically. If you are doing a multi-country trip, this matters even more. Here is why the cheapest policy sometimes gets rejected even when it technically meets the minimum. Some budget insurers issue documents that are vague, generic, or formatted in a way that does not clearly state the required information on the first page. Embassy staff are processing hundreds of applications. If your insurance certificate requires them to dig for the coverage amount, that is friction working against you. The fix is simple. Use a provider that issues a clear, Schengen-specific certificate stating the coverage amount in euros, your exact travel dates, and explicit Schengen area coverage on one page. This is a small detail in the application, but it is one we check as standard in every QuickScan audit, because an avoidable rejection over something this fixable is the most frustrating kind of refusal there is. Link in the description if you want your full application checked before you submit. Thanks for watching.